come from. So behind me here is the River Colwyn. It flows through Old Colwyn, which was originally called Colwyn before Colwyn Bay was built, and they needed to differentiate the two. So the name for Colwyn has three different theories that I know about. The first one is it's from the name of a Welsh nobleman from the 1100s called Colwyn ap Tangno, I think. It's possible. The other one is that it means puppy. So in Welsh, a puppy is a Colwyn. It's a bit of an old word, but that's where it comes from, which doesn't make much sense, but there are a lot of rivers in Wales which are named after animals, so it's possible. Now the most likely one, which I personally believe, is that it's a form of Colwyn. Coth being a hazel tree. Now that could either be Colwyn, like a white hazel, or it could be Colwyn, so like an undergrowth of the hazels.